If you've been experiencing issues with the notifications not showing up on your iPhone's lock screen, you're not alone. Today, I'll guide you through some easy steps to get those notifications back. Let's get started. First, let's check your notification settings. Open the Settings app and scroll down to Notifications. Here, you'll see a list of all your apps. Select the app that's not sending notifications. Make sure Allow Notification is turned on. You can also check the settings for show previews and ensure it's set to always or when locked depending on your preferences. Now let's see if Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. When this feature is enabled, notification won't show on your lock screen. Swipe down from the button and if you see a moon icon, that means the Do Not Disturb is tap on. Tap on it to turn it off. And that's it. But if you've tried everything and notifications are still missing, it might be a deeper software or hardware issue. In that case, I recommend contacting Apple support or visiting an Apple store for assistance. And that's it. Hopefully, these steps help you get your notification back on your lock screen.